Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of quarantine content. I'm Josh Salvador and today we have another episode of reviewing resellers collections, and today we've got the admin of Underrated Kicks, Denzel, to show us his Fire and Heat collection. Now Denzel, he's a full-time chef. He dropped out at the end of year 10, I think, to pursue his passion, and for me, I can't respect that enough. I really, it's just so amazing when people pursue their own passions and they really do what they love. Obviously, working a 9 to 5 at a job that I hate, that scares the crap out of me. So big shout out to Denzel for pursuing his passion. And yeah, he's really successful because he's cashing out on so much shoes. So he's got a Fire collection and I can't wait to review it. So we're actually going to be watching it in real time and I'm going to be just watching this collection. I haven't seen it before. He sent it to me like a couple weeks ago, but I've been so busy and I wanted to distance because I already did Fred's and Eli's collection. You can watch that up here. And now it's time for me to do another one and to see if maybe we should do more, because I think you guys have been enjoying them. So without further ado, I'm going to be watching this video and we're going to be seeing if it's worthy of the Hype Beast of the Year award. Let's see if this the collection of the year, because he's got some pretty cool heaters. So I'm gonna step over here. We're gonna have the video right playing here, and let's go. Alright, so already he's pulling out the Heat Off-White Air Prestos in the black colorway. I think I just butchered that name. And he's got the triple black Balenciagas. I really like those, but I just don't feel like it'll fit my feet properly. So I really am a big fan of those. I'm scared it's gonna rip on me though. And here he's got some Ultra Boost that I don't actually know the name of. I know it's a really cool collab, but really unique colorway. Oh, he's got the Off-White Air Maxes. These are OG colorway as well. These are crazy. To me, I'll be scared of wearing them because they would get like ice, like they get yellowed a lot. Oh, he's got the OG Air Max 97. So obviously he's got the OG Off-White Air Max 97. So big Off-White fan. You can see his Off-White socks, and I think he's wearing the Fog Essentials. There we go. For only shoe that I actually have, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lows. He's got the pink laces on. I should probably try those on. Whew. Travis Scott. Oh, the Oilers. The Cactus Jacks. Damn, I really like these. Those are like... so, I think these are it's either the Raptors or the OVO ones. The one that Drake had. I think it's just the normal Raptors. Bread Toe Air Jordan 1s. I really like those because it's got the cream mid paneling. So that's why I really like those. I need ID on those jeans, bro. I think they're from Minimal. Knowing him, it's probably from Minimal. Really big streetwear plug. So yeah, that's basically all that we have for his review. Really fire collection, really versatile as well. He's got a couple high-end pieces as well. He's a really big Jordan, like he's not really limited to just Jordans and just sneakers. He's got a lot of hype pieces as well. Really big Off-White fan. I'll just pull up his page real quick, but he's got a really clean feed. I've actually taken inspiration from his feed. So yeah, he's got some really nice pieces. He's actually got a pair of Off-White Jordan 5s that he got lucky on in the Nike Sneakers app. Not the Sneakers app, like the Sneakers website, this Australian version. But yeah, really good cop on those. All in all, Denzel's collection is really fire. Like he's got some nice stuff, and I like it that he wears his sneakers. Like he does beat them up. Have you seen those the Off-White Air Force 1s? Those are beat up and doesn't seem like he cares, because you know, he can probably buy another one if he wanted to. But yeah, all in all, really fire collection. I'd rate it at, I really don't like giving 10s. I'd say 9.2 out of 10. Good job, Denzel, on the hypermeter. So yeah, that's basically that's it for Denzel's collection. Like it was really sick, and also allowed me to talk about his collection as well, because I know with the others they with Eli and Fred, they were able to talk about their collection, and then it ended up being a really long video on my part because then I had my own brief description. Go check out Denzel's page. He's a really OG. He's really OG in this game. He's really self-supportive as well. He's really supportive of my channel in another sense. Yeah, so yeah, go give him a follow. Go check out his page and his personal, Denzel Wickinton. I think I just screwed up that name. So sorry. Hope you enjoyed this video and this episode of reviewing resellers collections. Go show Denzel some love. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace. It's another episode of reviewing a resellers collection, and today we've got damn it.